One cloudy and sunny day, Soad and his sister, Anoad, decided to have a picnic near the river. They parked their car by the road.
I will play with my rocket, plane, and boat. Aw, aw, aw. It's funny.
I will go fishing.
She put on her coat and rowed her boat to the middle of the river. She threw the rod.
I will catch a big fish today.
Suddenly, a small goat came. Ba, ba. Anoad said,
Oh no, the fish will run away.
Don't worry, Anoad. I will help with my boat. Ah, ah, ah.
The goat felt afraid and ran away.
Now I will wash my toys with soap. They got dirty. Look at the bubbles, Anoad.
If you were at the river, what would you like to do? Play, fish, or something else? Why?
Row, row, row my boat past the road I see go. Wash my toys with bubbly soap. Catch a fish, I really hope.
Where did Soad and Anoad go for their picnic?
What did Soad want to play with? Name all 3 toys.
What did Anoad put on before going fishing?
What animal came while Anoad was fishing?
Why was Anoad worried when the goat came?
How did Soad help Anoad with the goat?
What did Soad use to wash his toys?
Can you name 3 words from the story with the aw sound?